Hi guys, this is Annie again. Today I'm going to introduce to you a Type 2 to Type 1 EV charging cable. This EV charging cable is used to charge a car with a Type 1 inlet or CCS1 inlet, and it's widely used by people in Europe. You can check this cable. It has a spiral cable. The cable has a spiral construction. We can also call it coiled cable. It's different from straight cable. The advantages of this spiral cable is you don't need to worry about whether the cable will drop to the ground, and you don't need to worry about whether people will be tripped over by the EV charging cable. So compared to straight cable, it is safer to use an EV charging cable that looks like this. This cable has two plugs. This is a Type 2 male plug, which will go into the charging equipment, and this is a Type 1 EV plug, which will go into the EV socket inlet. Okay. You may need to pay attention to the sequence of inserting the two plugs. Actually, you need to insert this Type 2 male plug first, and then after the male plug is inserted, it's coupled with the Type 2 socket outlet. You need to insert the Type 1 plug into the vehicle inlet. Once the car and the charging equipment is linked together with the help of such a cable, your car will be charged. Okay, so that's all about this EV charging cable. Thank you very much.